So, we have already heard so much about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. According to John Prosser, Samsung's next unpacked event is currently expected to happen on August 10th. Now, keep this in mind, things could change even at the last moment, so it depends on the product's manufacturing timelines and quality controls, definitely. Also on Samsung itself. Even though the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Z Flip 4, the Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro to be announced and start their US pre-orders on 10th of August this year, the actual launch will happen on 26th of August. Anyway, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come in Phantom Black, Green and Beige. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be available in a grand total of 4 shades: Grey, Light Violet, Gold and Light Blue. Now, these two devices will come with Android 12 based One UI 4.1, but later this year, these two devices will be updated to One UI 5.0. According to Sam Mobile, with One UI 5.0, Samsung is working on greatly improving the animation speeds and fluidity while navigating in the phone's UI. Now, this is gonna be a great improvement considering the fact that no one wanna have lag or stutter while navigating in the UI at the very least. It always wins the experience. Even if you have a high refresh rate displays, it still is bad. Now, Sam Mobile also reports the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will continue to offer 256GB and 512GB variants, and it will add a 1TB variant if you want that. But keep this in mind, it will be region specific. At least that's what I think. Now, as for the price, the 512GB Z Fold 4 could cost around $1,899, but the highest end Galaxy Z Fold 4 model, which is the 1TB variant, could cost around $2,000. Now, that's an insane price tag, but also might come with 16GB of RAM. Now, this year the Galaxy Fold will not feature anything crazy aside from upgraded camera setup that includes a 50MP main sensor instead of a 12MP unit and durability upgrades. The phone is also expected to feature the same 7.6-inch main display, 6.2-inch cover display, and that's it. Now, we are also hearing that both the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 will have much less visible crazy inside and wider aspect ratio for better usability. And the both devices will also likely be powered by the Qualcomm's latest premium SoC, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 manufactured by TSMC, much more efficient chip than the 8 Gen 1. Now, if you want to know more about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is coming next year with an insanely different configuration, then check out my website or subscribe this channel. I will upload the video. Now, as for the price, the Galaxy Z Flip 4's price, according to Sam Mobile, is gonna be like this. 128GB will start from $999, $1,000. The 256GB model will start for like $1,049, I mean $50 more. And 512GB will cost you another $50, $1,099. Now, that also shows that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will not feature 1TB variant like the Fold 4. I think that's not needed either, but maybe. This year at least, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will offer major improvement in battery life, thanks to a big increase in battery capacity, 3700 mAh battery up from 3300 mAh battery of any past Galaxy Z Flip models. That's really cool. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.